Hello guys, welcome to our new episode.
This week we are going to show you Hardware City best tool storage solutions,
And we introduce to you our new Makita MAKTRAK toolbox system.
followed by the Bluepoint roller caps, tool chests, and lastly the Milwaukee full packout system.
Hello guys, this is Garvey from Hardware City. Now we introduce to you our new Makita MAKTRAK system toolbox.
So the first thing that we have here is the Makita MAKTRAK rolling tool chest. So we actually have 3 sizes for that. It comes with the handle and also with the wheels. That one is the biggest one. So the key points for this product is that it has a maximum stackable accessibility. And it has an interlocking feature for easily mobility. And it has a dual-sided access. Also, it has a smart organization. You can also open the lid without unstocking the toolboxes. We introduce to you the Makita Deep Compact Organizer. So it comes with 2 sizes. It has an interlocking and stackable feature. It has a clear lids to easily see what's inside. Also, it has a removable organizers. And the design is very compact.
Guys, let me introduce you today to the Bluepoint 7 drawer roller cabinet. So it's made of high-grade steel. Every drawer can carry up to 45 kilograms. As you can see, it contains of 5 narrow drawers, 1 medium drawer, and 1 deep compact drawer. So you can put a lot of tools. It comes with 3 colors. We have blue, red, and later on I will show you the yellow in the pouch. So another product is the 4-drawer tool chest. So it comes with a lid with 2 latch. And you can control all the 4 drawers in one time for the smaller tools. So you can also come readily with 309 pieces of tools. It's all coming with foam cut, well organized. So we have the short, deep, 3/8 half-inch impact socket, double ring spanners, full set of screwdrivers. As you can see, this is come with 309 pieces. Look at the foam cut and the shadow. It's all ready made. Hello guys, let me introduce you to Yen Wei from Pioneer Junction Store.
Hello.
Yes, and today he's going to introduce you to the Milwaukee Packout roller toolbox. So now Yen Wei will dismantle the Packout for you to see how we assemble it. As you can see, it also comes with flexible organizers. The also has the interlocking feature where you can lock and unlock. Okay, it has the organizer box, and then we start the toolboxes. So now to the medium box. Look at the amount of space we have here. And finally, the big roller toolbox with telescopic handle.
Hello guys, I'm Mia from Hardware City, Singapore, and if you want to expand your Milwaukee Packout, you can also get these 2 drawers. You also have the 3 drawers there, and you have the 4 drawers. It also comes in the same interlocking feature, and now Ray is gonna show us how these to disassemble and assemble these boxes. If you want to be organized and you have a lot of space at home, at office, or even at your garage, you can expand your pack outs through your wall system.
Hello guys!
Thank you for watching this video.
Hope you like this week content.
Don't forget to follow our socials, like, share, subscribe to our channel. We shall see you next week.
See you! Bye!
Bye.